In this video, we're going to take a look at my plan for TON or Toncoin. I'm going to give you some entries where I'm looking at short and long for opportunities over the coming days and weeks. Before I begin the video, I'd really appreciate it if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And in the comments section below, I'm going to pin two links. One to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about us. So starting here, looking at the higher time frame, we can see that actually the recent lows were a really nice retest of the bear market highs. So this was bear market resistance, and that was around $2.68 in that region there. So throughout the first part of 2022 all the way through to really quarter one 2024, every time this area was touched on the weekly chart, we got a rejection from. This was obviously flipped during the rally at the start of last year 2024, and on the retest that's been holding really nicely as weekly support. So this is something we want to see continue, and sort of the ideal place really to form a bottom on this, as it does seem to be doing so far. Then we are looking for medium to long term would be a push up to the previous range lows. So this was throughout 2024, even the recent rally at the start of 2025 as well. This was weekly support at $4.78, and that was sort of the liquidity from the previous bull run 2021 that was holding as weekly support a number of times, but we have had a breakdown. Now that hasn't even been retested, so that we cut straight through that in February. So as long as this holds here, this can sort of be our medium term range. So essentially any moves below $3, so in the $2.70 area, be looking to take a swing long and a target of $4.70. And then obviously a flip of that, and we're looking back towards the highs. But they're my two key higher time frame levels for now to watch out for. And you'll probably find that when we do get this retest around 470, that would be a great place to probably start taking scalp shorts as well. Look on at the lower time frame, so a 4-hour chart as well, where I'm looking at entries perhaps in the coming days or hours even. We see that just recently we have broke out above $3.25. This was a key area of resistance, has now broke out, and we have back tested that on this candle actually, and got a good reaction from that 325 area. But what I am looking for over the coming hours or days, if we do get a sell-off in the market, is a little bit lower, sort of around $3.20. I'll probably look to take a long, perhaps even a scalp long around this area, looking for continuation back towards these highs. So yeah, for me, $3.20, good area potentially to take a scalp long, be retargeting about 5-6% move back towards $3.40. Also, I'll be looking as well to potentially, I might look to take a scalp short around $3.41, $3.40. We have had a rejection from just below that so far. No surprise, we've got some supply in this area. So on a lower time frame, this is kind of my range now, 320 and 340. Let me know your thoughts, guys, in the comments. Are you holding Toncoin, and what your longer term targets are? I hope you found this video useful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.